Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool right here, and basically what these are some shoes. And for these shoes in particular, they mentioned how it's made for women, but men can definitely use it as well. So I want to get one of these right here to actually test it out to see whether or not it's actually as comfortable as it mentions. But I can see it from this brand right here, STQ. And for these shoes, they have in many different sizes and different designs and colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which color you guys want. But the one that we got right here is like a navy and white design right here. So I'm actually take it out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So you see the way how to design the product definitely looks pretty nice. There's no shoelace or anything on here, it's a slip-on. So it's basically like wearing like a slipper or something, which is pretty nice. And we see in the bottom part here, they do have like that air cushioning technology, kind of like the Air Max design, if you can see. Because look at the bottom part here, this is basically what it actually looks like. So the way how to design the product right here definitely looks pretty nice. They definitely have that like non-slip material on here at the bottom. So when you guys walk around in slippery areas, you don't have to worry about it. But definitely when you guys feel the bottom part here and also on the side right here, it feels really nice and definitely has that like air cushion that they keep talking about. And the overall shoe itself is breathable, so definitely have room for the shoe to breathe and everything. And when you guys feel the shoe right here, it definitely feels super lightweight. And then for inside the shoe, this part right here, it is memory foam as well. So it should be really comfortable when you guys put it on. And not only is that part memory foam, but it is ventilated as well. And also the way how to design that part inside, it has a very good arch support to give you guys that support when you guys are using the shoe all day. And see, this part right here is elastic as well, so it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to slip it on. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually do a quick 360 view of the product. So that's basically a quick 360 view of the product. If you can see, definitely looks pretty awesome. But let me just put this on to show you guys what it actually looks like and describe how it feels. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here are the shoes. Let's try it on and see how it feels. And you want to do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so once you guys put it on, this is basically what it actually looks like. So let's do a quick little walk around here to see how it feels. Alright, so this is basically what the shoe looks like once you guys put it on. It definitely feels really nice. It has a very good support when you actually put this on. It definitely has that like arch support that they mentioned on here as well. But when you guys feel the bottom part of the shoe, it definitely has that like memory foam material on the bottom to give you guys that all day comfort. You can definitely feel like that air cushion technology that they have on here as well. So you can totally see how this will be a perfect shoe to wear all day. And it's really so easy to actually put it on as well. All you guys need to do is just slip it in. But this is basically what the shoe looks like right here, if you guys can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So next let's look at test of the product and definitely see it actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to use the product and actually feels really, really nice and super comfortable. It's actually really close and very comparable to like the Air Max shoes. It seems like they use the same or very similar technology in terms of the air cushion technology, like the Air Max design, to give you guys that all-day comfort and support when you guys put on the shoe. And the way how to design this shoe in particular is actually really nice. It's basically like a slip-on shoe or a slip-on slipper, and it also has like a loafer design to it when you guys actually look at it. But definitely having that slip-on option is actually really nice, because sometimes if you guys are in a rush and you guys don't have time to like tie your shoelace or whatever, you basically just slip one of these on and just head out to work or whatever. Like I feel like for this shoe, I'll probably wear a lot more often when I'm like going out and about doing things casually every single day, such as like grocery shopping or just walking out, going for a walk, or just walking around the house or whatever, because it's literally that comfortable when you guys put it on. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys trying to look for a shoe that has a slip-on option that feels really nice, that has a memory foam inner layer, and also the fact that how it has air cushion technology, and the fact that how it has a non-slip material on the bottom. If you guys want all of that in a shoe, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.